Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity Cocomi has called for mass participation in the Manipur People's Convention on 2 years of Manipur crisis, which will be held at Kumalampak tomorrow, commemorating 2 years of Manipur conflict. Cocomi has also appealed to people to abstain from any festivities and celebrations tomorrow. Speaking to media in this regard, co-convener of Cocomi, YK Dhiren, informed about traffic diversion for those coming to attend the convention. For those coming from Lamlai, Yangangpokpi, Sagolmang and Pukhao side, he informed to cross the Lamlong Bridge and proceed towards 9th IRB Road to Kumalampak Main Stadium parking. While for those coming from Thobal, he advised people to cross Singzamai Bridge and proceed towards Komba Road and further to Lamlong Bridge and 9th IRB Road. For those coming from Bishnupur, he urged people to access route from Konani Karak, Dinku Road and to the main venue in Kumalampak Main Stadium.
tongan club ki organization ki mera pai bi le biri bisin na option chu sai gi level da nyam gi sumba soife da basuma public convention da sita una mangna saru ya bi hai ko posima ko komi gi mai ke de gi ai appeal tok jege manipur gi tongan ko sing si langna wona bata una maktai khoina gari gi transport ki kurong chaba bi ba ngam da bana maram morakanda tangai phada ba khara rapa tongan ba kurong cha da ba khara gi komi na arrange tok jeraga chu lakadori ba gari sing si lekai club ki mera pai bi gi sinau sing na biar toraga lakpi ga da ba gari ni aduna awa ana kaya lairaga su isa gi position dagi ekwe lepa ki ni khala kanda sumba thoram masi langna bohna ba isa na ngambal level da ona bi na su ya biu ha wa punchima ai thamjage